Hey guys, it's Brian Diamond here with my friend Summer Orlando.
Hello, Internet!
And today we're doing a drag queen does a non-drag queen's makeup. So it's like best friend does my makeup tag, basically.
Yeah, basically.
So if you don't know, this is, do you want it Summer or your real name?
Whatever.
So this is Ben Orlando.
Hello,
you could
everyone.
catch him on Law & Order SVU doing various, guest spots
That
as
acting,
such.
that acting,
The acting
style.
thing, you know,
That
going to New York
acting
City, you know, big city boy right over here. Big city twink, as I like to call him. So now, but he's also a Connecticut's premier theater queen, right?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, he has goes under Summer Orlando, very original.
Yes.
And he has done such productions as Wizard of Oz, Hocus Pocus,
Hocus
Rocky
Pocus Live.
Hocus Pocus Live.
Not to be confused with Hocus Pocus.
No,
We're not affiliated
it's
in any way to the Disney Corporation.
Would it be a spoof?
It's a parody.
It's a parody.
It's
It's like a
parody,
drag queen
and
parody.
we are booking now, so you can
Yes.
get
Hit them up. They're
Yeah.
amazing. Are we allowed to talk about the video, or is that not okay? The video of the performance, is that going to be distributed or not?
I have them
let
for.
that out.
I do have it for sale. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want some promo stuff, I'll put Ben's contact info in there.
Yeah, and insert a picture of Summer here so you know what a glamorous
Yes,
I look like.
her hair though.
Right there.
Right
Here.
So yeah, she does a lot of theater stuff. We've been friends since like a little bit after high school, right? Like years now.
So many years.
Like years now. Yeah, we've painted each. I painted you, I think, a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done obviously being friends so long, we've done like little things like that, but I don't think we've ever sat down and done serious like this is what we're doing. So I'm a little scared because, as you guys know, I do every day kind of makeup, nothing drag or crazy.
Yeah.
Whatever. But I respect the art. I respect my girls. They take the brunt of everything.
And now you're about to see what
They take the
it's
small
like.
dicks. Like what they do, they take the little dicks that no one else wants. They get thrown that shit. So I have mad respect. Okay.
Speak for yourself.
Okay.
But
So
you're gonna see tonight
the work that goes into being a queen, obviously. We've done many events, many a show, and many a night out where I've been waiting for you to get ready.
Exactly.
Yeah,
it's a lengthy process.
Very.
But the end result is absolutely fabulous and well worth it.
It's worth it, guys. So we're gonna do this today. I'm terrified. I'm scared. So we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the flip side.
All right.
Bye. All right.
Cover those eyebrows.
You're not.
Yeah. I told you we're doing the whole thing.
I'm fucking terrified.
You're gonna have-
Are you using glue?
Matched.
Are you using? What are you using?
What I use.
No. Wait, I have a glue stick.
No, but I don't want to use a glue stick. You have thicker eyebrows, so this will cover it better.
I have well-shaped eyebrows.
You're fine. You're fine. All right, so I'm going to stand up and get out of frame for this because I have to like bend over and do all these things.
I'm terrified. What are you putting on my eyebrows?
This is called Prozaid.
No, is that the stuff that messed up your eyebrows?
No, of course not.
No.
I know how to color.
No, that's a highlighting brush.
Well, let me figure it out.
No.
Yes, let me just figure it out.
No, that's an eyeshadow brush with color on it.
Let me do it.
Oh my god.
I got
This is why all my makeup artists out there, you know how it feels to have someone else do your face, and it's not good. Pray for me, please. Ever have another queen do your face?
I've had other queens do my face.
But are you not like freaking out all the time? Like the whole time you're not freaking out, like, oh my god, what is she doing?
I mean, I have a
Because
particular.
you have like your way of doing things.
I have a particular style, and I'm not gonna lie to you. When I do my brows like this, I don't color correct, and it works.
Well, my
but
brows are dark.
You
didn't bring a beauty blender?
I don't. Be gone.
Oh my god! Yo, why do I actually live for that though? Okay. So, after checking myself out in the monitor, I'm not mad at it right now, so far.
You might be mad after, but okay. No, I like to make a mess and then clean it up, just like Willem.
Just like Willem.
Just
Yo, and for anyone who's seen A Star Is Born, Willem, Shangela, and who else is in it?
They're the main,
like the main ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Willem is already selling his merch because he's a fucking promo whore.
Purple, because you don't have weird oranges.
Yeah, I do. It's a black one. I'm just sitting here with no eyebrows,
One of my
contemplating
favorites.
my life. Okay.
But Starbucks.
Who gave you that, by the way?
Some person.
Bruh.
I don't remember their names. long time.
How unprofessional.
I know. I'm in the middle of a shoot. Oh,
Who is it?
it's Buffalo, New York. They probably just want to book me. It's cool. I'll put my notes for a sec.
I hate you so much.
I'm gonna separate like the.
Yeah, I know how things work. How high are you gonna bring my brows?
Your brow's gonna start like right here, where your normal brow is 2 inches up, and then we're just gonna follow your regular brow shape. Maybe arch it just a little bit to give you like some more.
Like a divine brow. Like
no, we're not gonna do a divine brow, but we're gonna do. You'll see.
Okay.
You'll see. In fact, we'll do your brows in a minute. I just need to do your. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the most of your eyeliner, but I'm gonna have you do your own waterline.
Can I do my own eyeliner?
No. Because I have like a technique that this is okay. And I kind of just go back and forth and almost draw in a new crease. But then you take more eyeshadow of the same color and you blend it, and it kind of smudges the black into the color, and it just gives you dimension, and it's great.
Now I know how all my clients feel, and I don't like it.
Just a bit. And then turn that way.
Dear Jesus, please give me the power and strength to power through this drag queen.
I need you not to open your eye. Now, what I'm gonna do is, you know how you would take an eyeshadow brush, then like a blending brush, open your eyes, look at me, and you'd go back and forth to smoke?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that with this.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
Good.
And then what we're gonna do is,
Take some black.
we're gonna take some good black, we're gonna take a beauty killer, we're gonna take black rainbow actually.
Oh yeah, with the shimmer.
Mhm.
That good shimmer.
And
Should we like wipe off the
I'll
bake?
wipe off the bake.
Oh, my
No.
fan brush.
No, we're not using that one. We're using big fluff.
I
I start on the bottom and I go like that.
Yeah, I know how to wipe off bake.
This is called cream contour. It's a cream contour wheel.
Yo, that contour is like in some lighting it looks kind of harsh, but then you kind of move in.
And once I add the
cuts.
blush and stuff and
Yeah,
soften
it
with
kinda,
the
like,
highlighter,
cuts.
it'll be great. So.
This is what they have to do under like the harsh lighting of a stage. It's like what they have to do.
Yep. So you cannot move for this part. Okay? Because otherwise we'll be fucked.
Hello God, it's me Margaret.
Don't talk. Because I can see your eyebrow, like what it's gonna be. Yes! Okay. And we're gonna clean it up and we're gonna make it a little thicker. And then we're gonna add a little bit dimension with black so it looks like real hair. And you'll be fabulous.
And then we could go on to highlight.
Yep.
Then lips, and then we're done.
Lashes, yeah.
Oh, we're not doing lashes. Give me your phone.
This. Yes, that's the
Good.
campy realness you
Good.
look like. Oh my god. And I'm gonna put the wait, I gotta put the highlight underneath and then bitch. Oh bitch. Oh bitch. Oh bitch.
So this is what we're doing, guys. This is where we're at right now. Leave your thoughts on the look so far in the comments, please.
Turn towards me.
I give you so much makeup for free.
Okay, don't talk. Now remember, this is for stage.
Yes.
So you want it to be a little, we are going to soften it after, but you do want it to be a little extreme. Turn that way, because it's going to add the dimensions to your face and warm your face up.
But I want to look dead.
Yes.
She does not know my brand. Oh my god. Okay, well use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, please.
This?
No, the small one you were going to use for foundation. No. The black one. That's a lot.
I want you to be seen from space.
That's a lot. Oh my god.
I like to do it on my cheeks because it really makes you fucking...
Everyone does it on their cheeks. let's just.
Your nose literally looks like it's made of metal right now, and
What is that? That has been on your mouth.
No, not on my mouth.
That is
on my eye.
That is my eye. I quit. Can I call it now?
Drag queen down and
Can I call it?
Down and
Can I call it?
All right, now close your eyes. We're gonna do glitter.
Ow.
Don't do that. Yeah. And I slightly overdraw, but like only an inch, because otherwise you get cloud lips. Stupid.
I have a good shape.
You do, and don't talk.
No. Stay in the lines, please, Jesus.
Shh. You're just shush and trust me. This is a nice shape too. Look, lipstick. Okay. Before you just open up for it. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Stop laughing.
What do you mean not to laugh? I'm gonna make you laugh.
I'm gonna look like make you look like Miranda Sings.
Hey.
Give me a minute. Let me know when you're ready. I'm just gonna have a coffee moment. Minute. Let me know when you're ready. I'm just gonna have a coffee moment. Ready?
Yeah.
To continue? Some of us aren't professionals here.
Okay. Just let me do my.
No.
Okay, let's go. You have like 3 seconds.
You're laughing and you're smudging it, and it's not cute. I'm trying to do lips now. So we're baked.
Done.
We're done.
This is it. So have we thought of a name?
No.
No.
She's going to a glitter ball. Of course, every queen needs a wig. So we're gonna wig her, and
So,
we'll be right back.
I'm living for this hair though.
This hair is actually by the fabulous Ariel Versace.
Is it?
Oh, and she's amazing. And
So is this famous hair?
well, she's pretty famous. It's pretty good. It's really, really good.
Will I be famous by proxy through wearing this hair?
Sure. Well, you'll be famous by proxy through knowing me, who wears this hair.
Mm-hmm. So it's like 6 degrees of separation.
Exactly.
Exactly.
But do you feel your oats? Do you feel fabulous?
I feel
you
like
feel your
Dolly
inner
Parton.
woman?
I feel like Dolly Parton.
You're not
And
Dolly
I got the
Parton,
boobs.
But do you feel your inner woman kind of
I do.
speaking out to roar?
Like 80s.
Do you feel like you're Lady Gaga zhuzh?
Kind of like art pop,
Mm-hmm.
but if she had pink hair, I'm
Yes.
kind of feeling it. Thank you for coming over and painting my face.
Of
Giving
course,
me drag realness.
Of course, always.
This is not how I would normally ever do my makeup, as you well
It's not.
know.
It's not. This
No.
is something different for you.
This is like.
But it works, and
drag.
I really like
This
it.
is like Connecticut drag, right?
And you know what, Brian? Let's get a selfie right
Let's
now.
get a real
just
selfie,
so that
yeah.
we can get this on the situation here
Okay.
with this good ring light. Ready?
Okay, wait. Thank you for this fabulous wig. I'm so grateful that I have friends who are so generous to just give me these
Not
wigs.
happening. But
Like, thank you for your huge collection of wigs that you will
where
not
can
miss
they
this
where can they
one.
find you, Brian?
They can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. All of that, Twitter and Instagram are It's Brian Diamond. However, on Snapchat, it's BrianLuv, BrianLuv, because I've had that like forever. You can find me on SoundCloud as It's Brian Diamond, because I'm also dropping the album soon. So
And all those links are in the description below.
They will all be in the description below.
That's great.
And what about you? Where can they find you?
Well, also,
where can they book you? Where can they book you at?
You can book me anywhere. I will travel. I will go everywhere. But you can find me mostly in Connecticut, New York, Massachusetts,
Rhode Island.
everywhere.
Like, on occasion.
Everywhere. I go where I'm booked. So you can find me on summerorlandoproductions.com, my website, where all the booking information is available for my shows and as well as just booking myself.
Mm-hmm.
You can find me on Facebook at Summer Orlando and my fan page, Summer Orlando Official. YouTube is Summer Orlando and Instagram is Miss Summer Orlando, MISS. Thank you so much, and we'll
awesome.
see you
We'll
on
see
the
you
next
soon.
one. Bye.